Welcome to Technia TV. I, Dr. Sachin Sabharwal, Faculty of Management Sciences, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to present a lecture on inflation. The first types of inflation is creeping inflation. Creeping inflation means, or it is also known as crawling inflation. It means the rate of inflation is very less. It is required for the inducement to invest. It may be from 0 to 3%. The rate of inflation doesn't exceed the rate of production growth. Then hyperinflation or galloping inflation. It is the inflation that is out of control, a condition in which prices increases rapidly as a currency value loses its original value. The hyperinflation is over 100%. It have no higher limit, that is, it can increase to any extent. This can be measured or this can be witnessed in the period of World War, in which the Germany witnesses that the people come with a bag full of money but will go with a handful of goods. That is, the value of money is become almost zero. Then the other types of inflation are open inflation. It means if the economic imbalance is accompanied with rising price level. Then the suppressed inflation. Suppressed inflation means that the government is suppressing the increase in the prices with the help of its policies. If the state authorities damp or even stop the rise of price level of administration means such situation is followed by existence of scarce commodities, shadow economy, etc. In such cases, the provision of basic necessities such as agricultural products is set by the government, that is, the ceiling rate or the highest rate that can be charged for the commodity of the essential items is set by the government by introducing price controls on commodities. Other one is hidden inflation. It means the government imposes strict controls to curb price inflation. Producers are forced to sell the products at the price required. Producers cannot sell the commodity at higher prices to get the profit. Therefore, lower on the quantity of the products. This means that employers are selling lower quality products at higher prices. It means the inflation is hidden. Otherwise, there is inflation present, but it is suppressed by the government. I hope that you understand inflation, its type. For watching more videos like this, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you.